भाई शादी भी करनी है कि नहीं?
So welcome to my channel. Now, last time we discussed about the topic of for loop, in which we covered lots of questions, around 5 to 6 coding questions, and we changed the value, and we did lots of questions. So right now, in today's session, we are doing the questions of if else loop, and you can say that if, and this is a very unique topic, or like it is a very important also. So in the basic, we are discuss about the syntax, as well as we will discuss about each and every code, like 4 to 5. We will do 4 to 5 code practice. Okay, so we are going to start for loop. Sorry, if alif.
मैं तुम्हारा फोन ले जा रहा हूँ।
हाँ नहीं तो सही तो कर ले कर
सही
कर
कर रखा हूँ।
तो दिन में नहीं बार वो ऊपर उड़ने का सब्जी वाला
Sorry,
कोई दुआ
this code is
ज्यादा ऊपर
is
ऐसा
not
करके
working. So right now it
तो
will
मैं
work.
बाहर तो देख ले खड़े होकर स्टाइल तो
code
रखो
is
करो
if
अपना
alif and else. So I'm going to start with first code, and
यार
I
ऐसे पैसे का देने का
I
नाम ही
will
नहीं ले रहा।
tell you that
15 हो गई।
how it is work, and each and
ये
everything
पूरा
I
पढ़ना ही
will
हो जाएगा।
discuss you. Okay. So we are going to start with the question is, what the question is, take a number.
अम्मी इस बार रहने दो, ना करो दिवाली में काम।
मिल लो को
Put
मिल ला
मिल ही नहीं रहा।
तो मिलिए तो कर लिए ना मिलिए
take a number.
2 दिन पहले पता लगेगा।
Take a number input from user.
पता कैसे कर रहे हैं
Print,
यार?
what do you want to print? Print positive or negative and 0. How we can do? So last time in whole we use range. We find the range from 1 to 10, or like according to the question. So the question is saying that take a number from input. So input, like we are going to take input. How we can take input? Like for example, n equals to like enter the number. So first of all, we are going to write enter the number. So this is a very basic part which you all know about this thing. So the top is, so main thing is that firstly we are going to use if. Why you are going to use if? I will tell you. If, then what you want to, like, sorry for the inconvenience. If, so what if like for example, we are going to check positive, okay, then negative, then 0. If n is less than equals less than 0, what? This is a sign of less than. If n is less than 0, then what we are going to print it is a smaller. Okay, so अब now we are going to use alif. Why you are using alif? Because we already use if syntax. Now we are going to use alif. We are going to use here. Then we are going to use the condition. So n is greater than 0, then it means print it is the greatest. Okay, so it is very important to do this column, like what we are going to say. I don't know, I forget the name. So alif, if alif, then last one is else. So else, if it is not smaller, it is not greatest, then what is this? Then it is a equal. So n equals to 0, so print it is a equal. Okay, so what is the output of this? So we are going to so what the compiler, first of all we click on the run button, then it shows immediately shows enter the number. So enter the number. What we are going to do, enter the number. The enter the number is, like for example, you are going to write 8. So 8 So, so what is the problem right now? You are you will find the problem. What is the problem in this code? Like for example, right now I write it, enter the number 8. So how we can check it is the smallest or greater? So greater from what? Like there is this, we need a statement of 2. We didn't write second statement. So like, so we are going to add a second statement here for checking which is the greatest or which is the smaller. So right now I'm going to write here which is the smaller and greatest. So we are going to add a number. This is one n1. So we are going to write here n1 is less than n1. So here we are going to write n2. Here we are going to write n2, and here it is also similar to same n2. So the thing is that we need again same similar to this statement n2, but everything will be same in input enter the number, but this is the enter the first number, and the second one we are going to write enter the second number. You have to focus on the syntax because this thing is very easy to do for the all the people, all the students. So syntax, and you all know about what loop you are going to use, if else for loop, which one you are going to use. So the output is enter the number 8, and you
यार
are,
क्या करूं,
then
आपस में
it
फंस
will
गया।
again show
क्या
enter
करूं,
the
फोन कंप्यूटर की कौन सी
first
बना लूं?
number, enter the
सही
second
है।
number. So second number, what is the second number? Second number will be, you are going to write 7. So it will, now you are going to press enter. So it shows it is
ये
a
रावण
smaller,
में
it
है?
is greater. So we already it is the 8 is a, what is 8 is a greater. So it shows it is a
यहाँ भी नहीं
greater.
निकल रही ना रामावंडी में, हैं? नहीं रामावंडी में आ जाए तो अगले में नहीं, ये भी ले
Okay.
लो।
So if you write 8 and 8, then the if you enter the button, then it shows it is a equal. Or if
तो
you
इधर
write
जाएगा कैसे,
here
कितनी दूर हो गई
1,
तो क्या?
then it shows
तो
it
यहीं
is a
कहाँ होंगे?
smaller.
एड्रेस पता लग जाएगा, हैं?
This is a very basic question for if
यही सही है
and
ना?
if else question. Now we are going to do second question. No, we are going to change the now we are going to assign, because these questions tell about take input from the user. Now assign number by yourself and give out what is the output, because you are going to give the number right now. So what I am going to do here, I am going to give a number right now here. So number will be there. Right now I am going to give number n1 equals to 3 and n2 equals to 4. So right now it will check, like for example n1 equals to 2 and 3. Then what is going to, we are going to use if syntax and loop we are going to use. So n1 is greater than 2, then it is a smaller check, then it is greater check, then it is equal. Right now it is both are equal, so it means it is a equal. So everything will be same, just you are going to write n1 equals to 3 and 2 equals to 3. So coding is about nothing, just practice more and more from your coding website, or like you have a compiler in our website, and we can use more and more practice to improve. This is the first question we are right now did. Now we are going to do second question.
सब्जी बनाई जाए तो प्याज ला टमाटर काम क्या चीज है।
Now the second question
यही
will
नहीं
be to
इसी बार
check
में
even
हम गेट
odd.
खोलिए थोड़ा
To check
ना बस ही आए बस ही आए
even or odd. So how we can check? We all know that in Python or C++. I think I don't know about C++,
नहीं
but in
मुझे
Python
काम
the syntax is I person 2 equal to 0. This is important to use. Okay, this is important to use. Like for example, you are going to write n equals to input, enter the number, because you are going to check even and odd. So use this condition I person to syntax 0. Okay, okay. Now you have to do what you have to do. If and else you are going to use. This is a use if. Sorry, I forget it. If, then you are going to use else. So sorry. If, now you are going to use elif here. So elif, in which you write print it is even. Then after that, what I am going to do, we are going to use else. Else it is a print, it is a odd. Output, what the output will show here. If you write enter the number, like you write in enter the number 5, it shows odd. And if you want to assign the value as similar to the question from for first question, what we did, like just like you assign the value n equals to 3, then it will check it is even or odd, and we all know that it will, 3 will be, it directly shows the odd because 3 is the odd number, we all know that. So this is a very easy, and but the thing is that you have to know about the syntax rule, you have to know about the loop, which loop we are going to use, which syntax we are use. Sorry for I'm writing very slowly because it is my habit to speak slow. Okay? And so problem in this question, I know there is one problem which I see right now, but you have to tell me if you find any problem or debugging, just comment it, I will solve it. So problem is here, there is not print, and the thing is that if will come here, if I person 2 equal to, then it will come and print will be there, similar else will be there also, else will here and print in same, because indentation is there in this language. Okay, so now we are going to do the next question. Next question will be now we are going to check we are going to check you are eligible for what vote or not. I am going to check you are sorry, there is a problem. So now we are going to check if there will be any, if you are eligible for vote or not, because you need to minimum age is 18, more than 18, then you are eligible to give vote. Okay, so we are going to write here. So the code is here, just write it directly. N equals to int input, enter the age. Okay, so what I am going to do here, I am going to use if condition, then I am going to write here
गेट खोल दो थोड़ा
ಇದನ್ನ ಗೇಟ್ ಏನಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾ
कानू
if age is greater than 80, print it is eligible for would. Else, print, it is not eligible. Output will show enter the age 15, it is not eligible. Or you can directly assign, because right now you are giving you are taking input from user, or you are directly assign, it is very easy, which we discussed earlier. So last question. Now we are going to check. So the question is to check whether number is divisible by 5 or 11. So we already write it about enter the number which we are going to show in output. So it helps to do the code properly. Okay, because we are going to take input from user. So we are going to take we are going to use if, because we are going to do if else condition, but the condition according to question it is eligible to use if else because you are going to find 5 and 11. So for 5% equals to 0 and 11% equals to 0, because you are going to check whether 6 is divisible by 5 or not, whether 11 is divisible by 6 or not. If it is divisible, then output will show it is a divisible, otherwise it is not divisible. So this is the last question we are going to discuss. So 9%. So n percent 5 equal to 0 and n percent 11 equal to 0. This is the correct statement. Right now we did in first time I did wrong. Sorry for that. So print. This is a if condition. Now I'm going to print. It is a divisible. If and then else, print it is not divisible. So thank you for watching a video. This is 4 to 5 code we are going to daily discuss with me. Thank you for watching a video. If there will be any doubt, I am going to improve my English language, and if there will be any problem, you can comment down. Thank you for watching the video. Okay, bye.